What's up, guys? We're gonna try this again. We done it earlier. I messed the video up, tweaking with a new camera, playing around. Don't know what happened, but we're back. We also have already opened these sauces, as I said. We done this earlier, so we're just gonna do it again real quick. See what happens. Like I said, I'm playing with a new camera. We're gonna try it again. That's what the phone's for, to start the video, stop the video. But today we got Possum Hollow Farms Scotch Bonnet. Not that you can see that. Maybe you can see that. Then olive oil divine, garlic, cilantro, balsamic. And from Peppers for Christ. Don't know what you'd call this one. It's a blueberry. All I know is it's a blueberry hot sauce. I can't remember what the name of it was. But like I said, the money outside of shipping for it was donated to missions over in where did I say? Pakistan, I think somewhere over that in that area. Maybe Turkey.
Yeah, that's not what you said.
What did I say? Do you remember?
No, I've been Pakistan, but it wasn't Turkey.
All right. All right. What? All right. We're gonna rock and roll Scotch bonnet again. It smells good. It smells pepper. I smell Scotch bonnet. It's bright. It's better that time around. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't get the vinegar that time. I taste the pepper. Still not really any heat. You still get vinegar, don't you? I do get a little vinegar, but nothing like the hit from last time. But this one is Scotch bonnet, peppers, vinegar, water, onion, garlic, sugar, vegetable oil, and salt. This one here, olive oil divine, garlic, cilantro, balsamic hot sauce is grape must, white wine vinegar, ghost pepper mash, scorpion pepper powder, garlic, cilantro, natural flavors, no preservatives. I'm going to leave the topper in. The last one we done to them, found out it was great. I do mean great on salad. This spoon here, leave the topper in it. Get it all over the place. Hurry. And what's that say? We painstakingly search for the finest, tastiest hot sauce from artisans around the world. I get the vinegar. I get the heat. It's not good heat. I like it. It's not pretty good heat. Nothing super. It ain't super hot, but
it's pretty hot.
It's great. I still get that grape flavor like I did the last one though. Just a little. To me, it's not that bad. I don't know. It's hot, but it ain't.
It's not the worst thing, hottest thing ever, but it's hot.
It ain't no. Let's see. A 10 would probably be, I don't know, pure pain. not feeling the best in the world. So, this one, blueberries. Outside of that, vinegar. I don't know. I don't really know what else in it.
It's the prettiest one.
It pours great. It's a little. It pours like Nyquil. About the consistency of Nyquil. I just say that for it's thick, but it's not like I don't know. They have a web page, not web page, but a YouTube channel and a Facebook page, Peppers for Christ. The sauce was made by, I can spill it all over the place. Christian Jokilla, something like that. Didn't butcher it this time as bad as I did last time. But, because the last time it was like, I have no idea. And if I butchered it still, sorry. But, let's try this one. And guess what? I still love it.
I like that one.
It's hot. Not screaming hot. It's hot. It's got a little heat to it. It's fruity, blueberry. You can taste the blueberry. Sugar, it's sweet. This one here, I've been looking forward to trying since I got it like 2 weeks ago. All I've been thinking is, what can I put it on? And I'm into the French toast, pancake, waffles. I can see this on ice cream. I can see that on cheesecake. Anything.
Fruit.
Fruit? Yeah. Really? But I can see it. It's really good. I highly recommend it. If you get a chance to check them out. If you get a chance to pick up a bottle, do so. I grabbed 3. Like I said, it went to a good cause. But we're gonna give this call this a wrap here, and hopefully, this one records with sound and doesn't do 3-minute loops like the last one did. I was really a little bit upset, but we're gonna try this one. Like I said, I don't know. I'm gonna have to do something else with lighting too, but oh well, we'll deal with that bridge later. I was gonna say something else, and I'll probably upload this one, then mess with it, tweak it, play with an editor, and just see what I can do with that, just to see. You might get it too. Alright, guys. Maybe do another one tomorrow. I don't know. Do the cheeses that we done earlier where it all messed up. And then do a cheese tomorrow, maybe. Y'all, have a great weekend. Peace.